Alright.
Didn't know why till I said fuck all y'all or fuck this world.
Oh.
Fuck that girl. Kid, man, city, watch my
Let's
day
go.
unfurl. I put my life in these sentences. Fucking right, it's either that or life sentences. I'm relatives with Benjamin. I used to give a fuck about my luck when I was innocent. Now what the fuck is up? I'm at your neck like a Pendleton nigga. I need that. Bitch, I need that. 24 acres in a mule. Best believe that. They say he got smoke like where the weed at. And everything you hope, bitch, nigga, weed at. Pockets on Kelly Price. Back when it was 95. Buy a strap and then we cock it back when it's uncircumcised. Write a rap on
Hey there, bonita. I've been waiting for a chance to say the ways I love you. So can I get underneath you? You're kinda crazy. So I say fuck me and feed me. And I'll be your diamond if you never leave me. Yeah, I'll keep you skyward.
So we're working the drone here. Well, Damon is anyway. Trying to see it up in the sky somewhere. There it is. It's way over in the thing. Damon, give us a little kiss. That's the drone over there. Way out over the ocean. Making a pit stop. And this is Damon here coming in. He's looking great. He doesn't care. Oh, fucking gangster. We got the drones. We got the boys.
Look at that.
Show us how it's done, Damon. Away she goes.
That's it, Brian? Yes.
Bet you're looking for something new. Wow.
What are we going to do today,
We're
Damon?
going to Prometheus.
We're not. What are we actually doing?
Oh, we're going to the movies.
What are we seeing?
We're seeing Prometheus.
No, fuck off. What are we gonna eat?
Oh. Prometheus.
Oh, it's sushi. There you go. After you. Pretty extreme, isn't it?
I feel like every time they make a King Kong movie, they just retell of Finding Kong. Like,
Yeah. We saw Kong, by the way.
Big boy. Big boy.
What the fuck?
Okay.
What? Why? Why, Damon?
Oh, look at your
black.
face. Because I'm black.
No,
I came.
you're not illuminate. Oh, here we go.
So I'm black. So, I'll tell you a quick little story
Okay.
about how retarded I am.
Alright, I'm listening.
Oh yeah, no, not too long after I got the drone, there was a full moon. Like
Right.
a really gorgeous full moon. And I recently discovered that I can take long exposures on the drone, right?
Right.
I'm like, oh my god, it'd be amazing. The moon's in the sky. I can take long exposures. The stars are out at the moment, and the lake's lit up for the people travelling to and from. I'd love to capture a shot where I can capture the moon and the thing, and you know the lake and everything like that. It'd be absolutely amazing. So I took the drone up, and they couldn't figure out why I couldn't see the moon.
Right.
And I'm like, I'm like, I'm taking the. I'm like, I can only take the fucking drone up so high. Why can't I see the moon? I'm like, oh, the moon's still above the drone.
You idiot.
Yeah. I was particularly spaced out that night.
That's beautiful.
Yeah. Yeah.
Where'd the moon go? I look down, I look around, but
What?
there's no moon.
The moon right there. Why can't the drone see the moon?
I'll just turn the drone upside down. We are home. We are going inside. MTV Cribs, this is the home of memes. Fuck yeah.
Yeah, it's just scarce here.
Oh, shit.